In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. Take me to the doctor. Take me to the doctor. Sentence number 2. I am compelled. I am compelled. Sentence number 3. He fell asleep on my lap. He fell asleep on my lap. Sentence number 4. You should have been ashamed. You should have been ashamed. Sentence number 5. No one has a mask on. No one has a mask on.